Dr. Manish Satsangi from Dr. Satsangi's clinic. Today I'm going to speak about hair loss. I've been always speaking on hair loss for a long time, but this topic is going to attract you because most of the people nowadays are undergoing a small round oval patches or a loss of a small patch or a loss of hair on a small areas on the scalp, on beard, on other areas, and this is medically known as alopecia areata. So friends, what is alopecia areata? Alopecia areata by name is a small area where there is no hair. So it comes out to look like a small patch, round, oval, oblong, whatever shape. The cause of alopecia areata is, most of the cases, it is an internal disorder, and medically it is called autoimmune disease. So most of the patch which comes, which are classified under alopecia areata, are basically because of autoimmune disease. Some of them may be the result of some basic conditions called lichen planus, like psoriasis. Some may come up because there is a fungal infection called tinea capitis, and some of the lesions may come because there has been a traction or mechanical pull. So friends, alopecia areata, as I have spoken to you, that alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune disease is a disease which comes from within. Autoimmune disease is not an infective disease. It has to do with your family lineage. It has to do with your genetics. It has to do with the predisposition which is in their genes. Autoimmune disease in 80% cases of alopecia patches is the reason behind. Most doctors try to diagnose it with fungal presence. Even in the cases of autoimmune disease, doctors try to treat with antifungals, and that is a precious loss of time in most cases. So expertise and right diagnosis is very important. At Dr. Satsangi's, we carry on dermatomicroscopy as a fundamental protocols of diagnosing it. Yellow dots, small vellus hair, cadaveric hair, exclamation or tapering hair is a typical of most of the cases and slides of alopecia areata. And once we diagnose that the follicles is intact, the patient tends to have a small vellus hair coming up, then we ensure that the condition recovers, hair grows back permanently. So in the majority of cases, alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease. There are certain signs which you have to see. Alopecia areata comes down with multitude of signs. The patient may be presenting with hypothyroidism, anemia, the patient having asthma, allergies, allergic dermatitis called atopy, or having high level of Ig levels, patient having different kind of rheumatoid arthritis, tend to have alopecia areata also as one of the implication because it is an autoimmune disease. So friends, speaking about alopecia areata, you require to understand that this is a disease. You require to understand and identify it as alopecia areata. You require to identify as early as possible to reach out to homeopathic therapeutics. If you want to recover the case right at the birth, you have to nip the bud. And if in case you do it, I'm sure that the condition do not relapse. So in all these cases, I've been treating them for a long time, and homeopathic therapeutics, especially at Dr. Satsangi's, second generation therapeutics together with the nutritional deficiency and medical reportings to see if there is any nutritional or hormonal factors is there, then we add medicines as per the genius, and in such cases the recovery has been excellent as compared to any of the dermatology treatment. So friends, do not bother. If you have such disease, speak to us, take our consultation. We will be very happy to suggest you whatever is required. I'm sure that is going to help you out to understand, identify and get treatment. Homeopathy is a very advanced and therapeutics which helps in recovery of disease, not from the point of view of the chemical action, but from the point of view of the disease inception right at the root. We call it mind-body healing therapeutics. So friends, to understand a disease, you require a medical understanding. To identify a disease, you require to be upgraded and aware of the knowledge which I am going to give you in these tutorials. Now further, I'm going to let you know how does other features are present with alopecia areata. What are the common causes which doctors sometimes misses. What you should do to increase the level of recovery at your home? What are the home remedies and facts about certain minerals, vitamins, vitamin D, zinc, biotin and all? This I'm going to speak to you in the next 5 minutes. Don't miss, continue with me. Friends, I'm going to show you how does alopecia areata actually look like, so that it is very easy for you to identify it and reach out for the help. This is an alopecia areata slide I've taken from internet for the sake of letting you understand like a tutorial. You can see these patches looks like this. This is a young male. You can see these patches. These patches may be there for a long time, or these patches might have been continuing in spite of taking dermatology or skin treatment. One more slide. This is the hair loss patch on the beard. See, on beard the loss has been there, and you can see the small white hair coming on these areas. So this is a case which is a very perfect case for homeopathic therapeutics and Dr. Sassangi's. If you treat it, it is going to save. It will be very safe, and it's going to help you to recover hair. Now you can see here also. This is one of the scalp. This is a very progressive case of alopecia areata. Now you can see the areata is already a small patch has increased into big one. The loss has been completely towards the occiput, the lower part of your scalp towards the neck. And if it is not controlled well, the total scalp is being lost, which is called alopecia totalis. If I show you this lady has lost scalp hair completely. You can see the brows are also being lost. So this is a typical case of a progressive alopecia areata, which has resulted into a complete loss of scalp hair. And this is a slide which I'm going to show you on the net. Now one more patch which I'm going to show you is a female. This is a female who has been losing hair for a long time. Now you can see the patient has been with lots of medicines. There's a recovery. Again there is a relapse, and you can see how the loss has been there. This may also progress towards a condition which is called alopecia totalis, where the loss has been complete. Now here also you can see the condition is called alopecia areata. This is a small patch where you can see the loss has been very eminent. So this is also a case of alopecia areata, small patches coming up. So alopecia areata looks like these patches, and alopecia areata looks like when the loss has been there for a long time. The condition progresses. Your dermatology or skin doctor may help you to some level, but the condition relapses, continues to worsen. And this is why the alopecia areata requires an homeopathy help. So what medical language speaks is that alopecia areata is linked with autoimmune disease. And alopecia areata reflects as a cosmetic complaint when the patient comes up. But definitely, yes, it is curable. It is the patches having alopecia areata regrows back, and that is the magic of homeopathic medicines. So we recommend you to come to us, recommend you to go to second generation therapeutics, get it diagnosed, get it treated correctly. A condition which has been relapsing a long time. Sometimes the patient comes with a scarred hair loss, where there is a complete destruction of hair follicles. Friends, do not expect us to recover you. I am talking about curability in such cases where the diagnosis speaks that the condition has not resulted into follicular destruction, where there is only loss of hair in the follicles, but follicles remains healthy and intact. We can regrow with you. Together with the homeopathic medications, if we grow, it is going to be with you for a long time, and that's why we tell that the treatment at Dr. Sassangi's and with the best of the homeopathic therapeutics, it is an end sustained benefit with the treatment.
आप मुझे हर समय लिख सकते हैं, मुझे पर्सनली मिल भी सकते हैं, और मेरे प्रोफेशनल ट्रीटमेंट के अंतर्गत मैं श्योर हूं कि मैं आपको रिकवर करूंगा, और मैं रिकवर करते आया हूं. मैं आपके लिए आंसर और जवाब दे भी रहूंगा. आई एम ऑलवेज विद ऑल स्टेज विद ऑल पेशेंट्स अक्रॉस इंडिया, वेदर इट इज मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, लखनऊ, एनीवेयर. और इसके साथ मुझे ध्यान से आखिरी तक सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट आई विल कम बैक अगेन विद वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एडवाइसेस फॉर यू. थैंक यू अगेन.